So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is the officially website. Then this is search button. So click and then enter your model number of required driver B860MK and then hit enter. Click on product. Find out this B860M. Then click this is your motherboard and click on support. So select your operating system Windows 10 11. So no worry about it if you are working like Windows 10. So installations process same. So you can install it same to same. Okay. So why VGA driver? Extract it. Install Intel VGA driver. Just click to download. It will start downloading like that. Wait few seconds. So you can see 915 VGA graphic driver graphic and double click to launch. Now this is extract and then install. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And this is install and then close it.